Okay. So I actually made this hat and I said I was going to come on and upload it to my YouTube, but here I am figuring out how to get the logistics working. So I'm going to upload this, but I'm going to show y'all what I made. Look, I made this hat for my mom. She love it. So what y'all think? And I'm going to add some material to it. Here's some of the material I'm going to add to it. And I also got a homemade ring blade. I got all the little stuff to go to see Wakanda. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I think this is the back half of it. Okay, I'm putting it on this way. I even had on my little earrings and everything. So I'm gonna upload this to my YouTube video. So check this out. Check out all the details, and I'll be adding some more kind of material to it. If you want one, you can always email me. Like I said, this is my first time making this, so see, I'm in the process of making some more. And remember, this is some stuff. Excuse me. Yeah, excuse me. That I cut out last year sometime, and everything just now coming around full circle. And here goes some of the material. I'm gonna show y'all my cardboard. See, hang it. I have to show y'all the stuff. Anyway, I use cardboard. All cardboard pieces. Y'all know I'm a urban sustainer for real. So really, I just want to hop on and just show y'all this. So let me know what y'all think, and I'll be making more. I'll be updating you guys with more. When I finish this hat, I'll be making me one. This is my mom's. I love this one. I'll be making me one, and I'm gonna decorate it and just see how it go. And I'm gonna have, like I say, I know in the Wakanda movie from the trailer they had ring blades, and I cut out some outlines of the ring blades. So, huh, this ain't too bad. It's sturdy. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. All right. Mm. Uh-oh. I am messing up. Okay. So thank y'all for stopping by. And like I said, I was basically just showing y'all my Wakanda theme hat that I made. I'm going to do about three of them. I'm gonna do Zulu style hat and this kind. So I'll be updating y'all more. So y'all let me know what y'all think of my hat. I actually love this theme, this concept when it came out. I don't know if you can see the colors good. So I got some ribbon going, and I got the top. It's all handmade. All right, thank you. Bye bye. I'm gonna. I'm just kind of playing with it. Thank you.